what's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, you guys. So tomorrow is 420. So a lot of weed NFTs should go up in price. I'm not 100% certain. Smokeheads, you guys, I'm real surprised about them. They had a lot of FUD going on with their project, but to be honest, they've been holding strong. They've been averaging a 4 or 5 SOL floor price this entire time. The community seems strong as well. A lot of sets on crack and tombstone society in this community. If they keep going at it, you guys, this floor price could probably go up, you guys. Hopefully the team does deliver. And I feel like this is one of the NFTs that would go up tomorrow as well for 420. And if you do own a set on crack, you guys, I already told you guys I'm super bullish on this project. They have finally passed the 50 SOL floor price. I still see them going up from here, you guys. Blue chip for sure, you guys. Even if you buy in right now, this project's not gonna let you down. Super bullish on this. They have an announcement coming soon as well. Once that announcement comes out, I'll be posting it in my Discord. I have in the description below. Okay, and I did mention dead rejects yesterday in my video, you guys. Just look at that floor price. Another call I got on the spot. I already sold my dead rejects, but if you guys are looking for the long term, hey, why not? Just always do your own research, because there was also, unfortunately, a rug today. If you guys don't know about it, it was undead apes. These actually rug today. Oh wow, the floor price actually went up. I saw this all the way down to like 0.2. Maybe they're trying to derug it, but I'm not gonna get in it. It's too risky, too risky of a play, you guys. Maybe if it drops down to 0.3, I'll probably buy in, but yeah, too risky of a play, you guys. Unfortunately, if you did hold an undead ape, I'm sorry, you guys. You guys got rugged. But hey, keep moving forward, you guys. What could you do? Eventually, you'll get a rug in the space, but there are a lot of potential blue chips out there with strong building teams. You just gotta do more research, you guys. But yeah, unfortunately, people got rugged, but all we could do is move on and hope this doesn't happen again. All right, you guys. So we're going with our upcoming project, which is community. So let's hop onto their website here. I'm super bullish on this project. First of all, the team is doxed. They look like a great team of professionals. Go ahead in their website, you guys. Check out their LinkedIn. I'm sorry I said that wrong. LinkedIn. And check out the team. But this project, you guys, first of all, I love the art as well. And let me just show you the light paper. This is game-changing stuff, you guys. I'm not kidding you. So Community Tree is a technology platform designed to revolutionize the way organizations manage their communities in places such as Discord, YouTube, Twitter, podcast, metaverses, and any other platforms. They do this in different ways. So by activating their community to grow further through social media integration that allow your most passionate fans to get the word out, the creation of tools to manage your community through workflow, self-onboarding, and etc. You guys, gamification as well through quest lines, badges, ranks, rewards, currencies, tiers, and digital storefronts designed to engage community members online, which I said earlier, it would help people get whitelist through doing quest line. And why is it important, you guys? Why is it important? Web3 communities are managed through a variety of Discord bots, spreadsheets, and other loose structures that are disjointed and incredibly work intense as your community begins to grow. It's impossible to understand what is happening in the community and incentivize people accordingly. So they built this in part to emphasize how important community is and how much it contributes to any success of any project, large or small. So their technology pretty much helps you manage this while not losing the quotations grassroots feel your organization had when you started. All right. So another thing that has me bullish on this project as well is, of course, their current clients. Just look at it. They have the Sandbox, which is a big Ethereum NFT metaverse project. Yield Guild, BK Time Secret Network, Malhai Ape Club, Ragnarok, Joy City. How can you not be bullish on this project, you guys? Check the roadmap out. Q3 2022, Questlines 2.0, multi-level view, cross-promotion marketplace, artwork goes crazy. I love it. It's something cool, something unique. So go ahead, you guys, check them out. I don't see how you cannot be bullish on this project. But that's all for me, you guys. Sorry, I'm only giving you guys one project, which is still early, you guys. You guys could probably still get whitelisted. Go ahead, subscribe, and join my Discord as well. I'll see you guys later. Wag me, Professor NFT out.